Hey, what's up? Why do you look so sad?
Nothing, just thinking about getting a new property where there is no pollution.
Then you should get it.
Yeah, but you know, in Delhi NCR properties are so expensive plus extreme pollution, I can't risk my health.
Okay, got you, don't worry. Have you heard about Riverfront Farms?
No, what's that?
They have the best farmhouse property in beautiful location with affordable prices located near Siliserh Lake in Alwar, Rajasthan.
Okay, that's great. We'll surely look forward to it. Can you please tell me about Riverfront Farm?
Let's have a look at the Riverfront Farmhouse details. Riverfront Farmhouse is creating farms project with natural living in the lap of greenish Aravalli hills surrounded by four sides and nearest beautiful lakes. In this project, one can buy individual freehold units in various sizes of farms. Apart from that, we will have a restaurant, swimming pool, etc. in the same project.